2006 Avalanche. The Chevy Avalanche can transform from an SUV into a full-size pickup truck, all in less than a minute. This makes the Avalanche one of the most flexible vehicles out there. This vehicle has less than 100,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, keyless entry, tow hitch, power passenger seat, anti-lock braking system, traction control, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, aluminum wheels. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.